This is Frank. Frank is tired, stressed, and highly frustrated due to a condition called LX, or level crossings. Takes Frank an hour to get to work in the mornings.
You know, it shouldn't take me longer than 20 minutes to get to work. Surely there has to be a simple solution.
Introducing LXR, also known as level crossing removals. LXR reduces stress, frustration, and excruciating commute times caused by the level crossings. But it wasn't always this easy. Let's take a look at the history behind LXR. Throughout 2014, our people were working very hard developing and testing LXR. Initially, it was quite a struggle. We weren't getting anywhere. But one simple idea to remove the level crossings completely was the breakthrough that LXR needed. The state government are working to remove rail crossings throughout Melbourne. LXR has been proven to work for commuters in over 25 locations. Side effects may include safer train stations, reduced travel times, absence of boom gates, better ambulance response times, and most important, some more time for yourself. Isn't that right, Frankie?
Yeah, man, sounds good to me. But just one question, why are you driving my car?
I just thought that, with all this spare time, maybe you could just relax, sit back a little bit.
Good thinking, mate. It's a good idea.
LXR is a product of the Andrews Labor government. Ask your local MP if LXR is right for you. A happier and healthier commute awaits you. Authorised by Alkari Media Bentley.